So, I went shopping at Spirit Halloween. And at first, I was like, I was on the fence about doing this costume. And then I went to Spirit Halloween, and just for the goofs and gags of it all. And I saw this costume, this nurse costume. I'm like, I have to do the Blink-182 costume. Shit. I didn't get everything from Spirit Halloween. I got the stockings though, and I got the nurse costume. This costume. But yeah, this is what I got. It was like $30 there, and this is sort of what we're dealing with. Came with this thing to put like around waist. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. And this for like a hat, which I'm gonna be wearing a wig, so I might have some trouble in this area. So came with a stethoscope. Not sure if I'm gonna use that because she doesn't use it in the album cover. It was like the last one that was there. There's probably going to be a lot of nurses walking around this season. These are the thigh highs. They have like a little bow, which I thought was really cute. Blind bag. I think it's going to be Gizmo. I feel like there's ears. I'm not sure. It could also be Freddy Krueger. Or Beetlejuice. I don't know if I should open this before or after doing makeup. Might do after. So look forward to that. It's gloves. These are from Walmart. They weren't from Spirit Halloween. I didn't see any of these at Spirit Halloween. I'm gonna do my makeup. This look is a very blue look. I've already done my concealer, foundation, and my eyebrows. Not an experienced MUA. MUA. Every makeup tutorial is a mystery. But I'm going to be using the King Kylie palette, which just came out. It has a lot of blue. I'm going to be using it on top of another shade from this palette. You can still hear me from there, but I literally can't hold the microphone. Look at this. First, I'm going to go in with like a light shimmer shade. Go in with a blue shade. I also went thrift shopping, and I'm gonna go with I'm Cold. I also went thrift shopping, and I plan to do a haul of that. I just need to wash the clothes. The videos I've been watching, people are usually getting ready to go to a Halloween party. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought about like lying and being like, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to a Halloween party. But I'm not. I'm getting ready to stream. Last time I streamed, it was like a second, so aiming for 2. I'll be honest, I haven't watched any scary movies this month. Instead, I've been having like weird nightmares induced by melatonin gummies. Like, I kid you not, like I bought melatonin gummies from like Ollie's. I don't know if you know that store. They're from the Vicks brand, and like I was taking 2 because I have like sleep issues. And I was taking 2 for like 2 days. Like it wasn't like for like a long time. But I had like the weirdest, most vivid dreams. I'm like, my gosh. But I did wake up at 6 a.m. out of fear. We're gonna go in with, okay, yeah. I'm just trying to build my blues. But, yeah. I don't know if you've had those experiences. Like, what's your wildest melatonin experience? Leave a comment down below. Oh my gosh, okay. I never do my makeup like this. This is crazy. Yeah. Me after believing a man, literally a clown. Like those memes where it's like you're putting on cloud makeup. I know people, like when they take Benadryl, they see the Hat Man. And I've never taken Benadryl, but I have seen the Hat Man. It's like a sleep paralysis thing. And that was pretty intense. which I'm just like, it's kind of wild how like there's like this phenomenon. But that happened to me like once, like 17. And I'm gonna go in with the King Kylie Palette, which now I'm like, maybe I should have just used it instead. But 2015 for my middle, which is like the lightest shade on my eye right now. I remember 2015, like Snapchat used to be poppin'. And I'm gonna use Kylie Blue on the outer edge. I was kind of like in an emo phase in 2015. Had a crush on the Cummings. I feel like it's coming out okay. I mean, obviously it's not gonna look exactly like the picture, but it's fine. And then I wanted to like kind of like a dark look underneath my eye. Yeah, in like 2015 I would listen to Blink-182 like all the time because I was in my emo phase. I mean, I still listen to Blink-182, clearly, but I was just like really hardcore in like 2015. I'm probably gonna use Undertaker. I remember being emo and like wearing all black clothing in like 90-degree weather, and like that aspect of being emo I do not miss, especially because I live in Texas and like summers used to be hell. I would like listen to Nirvana, Blink-182, AC/DC, and then 5 Seconds of Summer. In 2015 there was like a lot of like, I think heavy makeup was like it was in, like people's eyebrows were on fleek, like everybody was anyway. That's when I think James Charles blew up, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, eyeliner in 2015. You had to have it. It was essential. I remember people would have like their eyeliner sharp. And then Kylie's lip kits came out, and then everybody was like, that's when like lip injections I think became popular, and everybody was partying with DJ Khalid for some reason.
They don't want you to float in the water, so we float in the water.
I saw this tweet that was like, people who chase clout are funny because it's like, why are you twerking on DJ Academics? Different DJ, but why are you twerking on DJ Academics' boat or something? It's true. It's like, why are you on DJ Academics' boat right now? Shaking your ass, yeah. It's never that serious. But I was going through an emo phase. I went through an emo phase, and I also like my hair was dyed blue. It's crazy to like think of it as like 10 years ago, but it has been 10 years. At the time, I think Warped Tour was still a thing, and it's like why is this emo YouTuber and that's 28 years old in my DMs right now? I have an eyebrow curler, but I really don't use it as much as I should because I feel like I always take out my eyebrows. I have an eyelash curler, but I really don't use it as much as I should. Just because I always take out my eyelashes when I use it. And anyways, I'm gonna be using a red. Again. Do people even use Slay anymore? I think now it's just she ate. Am I eating? I'm not a huge fan of myself as a blonde. I remember I used to have my hair kind of this color when I was younger, and that's when I'm looking into the camera, I'm just like reminded of in the girl I used to be. So this is the look. It's not the full look. I'm going to get tattooed. Just kidding. No, I bought some tattoos from Etsy. I'm going to link everything down below. I also got this patch on Etsy as well. Not from the same place, but different places, but both on Etsy. I'll link them down below. I'll link everything down below. Wait, got the tattoo by Tattoo Icon. It's pretty cool. I like the Joker. Can't he wear like a nurse costume or something? That's really what I feel like. And then my thigh highs. Tiptoes. To be quite honest, I have no shoes. Like that. Proper technique. I'm gonna be mean and say like anything except a gizmo. But I got this because I'm like, regardless of what I get, they're all pretty cute. maybe Pennywise. Pennywise is kind of... He looks like he's going through it. Oh, it's I feel like it's a little catfishy, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I covered everything. So this is this costume. I have another costume that I'm gonna do, Dallas Cowboys cheerleader. I got some pretty cute things with it that I could see myself wearing, even not in costume. So yeah, you guys, when I see you, hopefully soon, and bye.